Hi everyone, it's Jackie here, and I'm going to try a boho bead tutorial. Now, I've been asked by a few people if I'll do this, so I'm going to start it. I'm going to do it in small chunks. I'm going to have to do quite a lot of prep for it. When I make these, I sit on my floor and have everything spread around me, but I can't film like that, so I'll just quickly remind you what we're looking at, and these are the sort of beads that I like to make. I like them quite sparkly if I can, and I thought I'd start this tutorial by showing you what I've got really and what I use. So the basis is these lollipop sticks. These are 89mm by 3.5mm. I just found these on eBay and I was just lucky really. So they're quite stiff plastic and there's a hole. They're like a stiff straw really, a small stiff straw. And I think I just put in lollipop sticks or something like that, or pop sticks. And these I cut to the length I need. Sometimes quite short, sometimes a little bit longer. So I use those, and then I use head pins. And these are head pins. Again, I think I got these actually on eBay from China, and just the longest I could find. So these are probably about 70mm long. And I have the ones with circle on the end, and I have some that are just got like a nail. Sorry, I have no idea if you can see this till I actually look back. Just a flat end. And if these are quite bent, I use these pliers and just straighten them out as best I can with these pliers. To be honest, by the time you've got everything on, you can manipulate them anyway. And I've got silver ones and a sort of brassy colour in those. So I use those, and I also use jump rings. So I've got jump rings in different sizes and different colours, so we'll probably need those. I use wire. I have got a selection, I have got some tools as well. Again, I've collected these over a long time. So I've got pointed pliers, these are wire cutters, and curved pliers. And I would say that these three with a round nose, so it's four items. Sorry, these are all a bit jumbled up, as you can see. Yeah, so there's round nose pliers, wire cutters, some pointy ones, and some curved ones. And those are what you need, really, I think. And then I use wire. I wrap my beads in wire at the end, threaded with smaller beads. I'm not going to show you all the beads because I have quite a few, but they're too difficult to show under here. But the other thing that we will need, that I've got a collection of, is these sort of bead caps in different sizes and colours. Again, most of these I've bought through eBay over the years. There's some silver connecting beads. These I find quite useful, these little star-shaped, I don't know what they really are, I don't know what the proper name is, but they sort of space, they're like little spacers that you can put between your beads and makes them stand out and look quite pretty. And I've also got one or two of these slightly bigger, longer ones. So with the beads, that's what I use. And initially what I'm aiming for, and what I'll show you in the next bit of this tutorial, is to get to this sort of stage. So I've got my lollipop stick threaded on a head pin, which I've hidden under here somewhere. So I've got this threaded onto a head pin with the beads added. So I'm going to try and set that up and show you how I decide how I thread my beads, although that's probably fairly clear from what you can see there. And then I'll show you how I wrap and glue them and finish them off. I hope this isn't too long-winded, this little bit. If you're interested, come back and see me for part 2. Thank you.